Welcome to Premium RV Center inside a brand new floor plan for us here at Premium RV Center. So it's debuted in 2026 and continues on here in 2027. This is the 26BH Unmapped. This is their most popular floor plan for 2026, and I can understand why. It is truly versatile in ways that I have not seen in many, many years. I can say it is for a lot of people, a do-all unit. And I think what's neat about this particular floor plan, if you're on the edge of debating, do I need bunks, do I not need bunks? I don't want to necessarily give up that much space and what bunks will offer you. Maybe the kids are just that little bit older, or perhaps you're a grandparent that ends up with, kids at your trailer quite often. I think this layout is one definitely to have a look at because it can do many different things, and I think it's going to work really well for a lot of families. Some aspects that I think people will really appreciate: overall length, under 29 feet, and then tip to tail, weight-wise, unloaded, 5,900 pounds, which all the features we're going to go through here is pretty incredible. You do have 400 watts on the roof of solar, so it's quite off-grid capable if you add the right batteries. It is also inverter prepped, so if you wanted to be able to electrify some of the plugs on board here, especially in the kitchen, not hard to do with the right batteries. So again, we'll take you through some of those aspects as well. As we start out here, as soon as we come in the door, they've really kind of done a great job in kind of giving us a command center. So all the things we typically may want to fire up as we get to camp, things like our hot water tank, which is on demand. We can quickly do that. We've got our water pump if we want to use, say, a faucet on the road. We can check all of our tanks. We've got heat pads on all of our just below here, on all of our tanks. And then we have a switch here to ignite the sky as well. So we do have awnings, our slide out switch. Everything is kind of centrally here right by the door, as well as all the main lights inside and out. So again, really nice job, especially if you've got kids and they're the ones kind of quickly opening some of this up for you. They're going to quickly be able to find everything that they need and want. Great on the road too. You have easy access to your bathroom. Being just behind the door here, so something you'll appreciate. You don't need to open a slide out here. So really the only thing road mode wise that you're not obviously going to have easy access is the front bedroom, which of all the things that typically people ask us for, it's the bathroom, it's the kitchen, and it's the fridge. All of those are fully accessible, and typically all the areas you might want to get to most often when you're getting ready for a trip, adding food and those kinds of things, you have that access to. So as we turn immediately to our left here, I flipped up the bottom bunk just so you can see again some of that versatility. So you could have certainly a couple of bikes in here, especially if you have more valuable bikes that you're concerned about. This unit is standard with a hitch on the rear, which is really great. So you can still add that bike rack to the back, but you've got that access door so that again you can take cargo in and out, even if it's not bikes, just maybe some Rubbermaid bins, things like that. Same size bunk here on the bottom as the top when it's down, and then they both have windows, so lots of ventilation. We do have ducted air throughout, so you've got a nice big 15,000 BTU air. With that up, it does give you nice easy access to your converter and charge controller, all that good stuff right in there. And fuses, all that good stuff. It is lithium ready as well, so you're ready for those batteries. Easy access to an area that you could use as a pantry, but it could also be storage for those who are staying at the bunks. My kids typically travel with just like a small duffel bag, so they could be stored away in there as well. And again, easy access to that bathroom. Lots of room in here as well. Porcelain toilet. They've added a nice big 4-speed fan here, so you can really move out that condensation. Great little accent wall here in the bathroom too. Hooks already in place. Mildew and mold resistant curtain that goes across there, nice hard one. You've got heat ducted in here. Again, lots of storage for everybody's gear. Backlit light here. It's a really nice touch here. And then again, nice wide shower here. So if you're broader in the shoulders, you'll appreciate that. We've got our skylight here for natural light, and then LED lights throughout, so they don't draw a lot of power. And as we come into the coach, we've got a really versatile set up here. So I'm going to do a separate video, just a little shorty, to show you this in full motion. But this is kind of often, I think, how a lot of families may use it. Or they'll just flip down this portion here, and they'll end up maybe with if they've just got 2 kids, maybe with the kids just there, on the occasional day that you're not actually eating outside. So here you can pull the whole assembly out, so you easily and quickly have a 4-person dinette. But you can also flip it down into more of a workstation. So if you want to be able to work from the road to extend some holidays, you leave it on a spot here down below for some storage, also your feet, if you were using it as more of a computer desk. And the beauty here is you have this big window that you look out onto your campsite that gives you great cross flow here, with a massive window here behind the sofa as well. So again, really versatile. So if you like a 4-seat dinette, but again, you don't necessarily want the trailer to be bigger and longer, this is a really versatile way that they've created to do that. And for the average time, when maybe it's just 2 of you eating inside, or it's the 2 kids eating inside, again, you have the space to do that. And there's such depth here. If you want to set it up as a bit of a coffee station here as well, you could certainly have several appliances. You've got the plugins here. You've also got a USB on the side. So again, it can be a little workstation, a charging area. We have a 12-volt TV. So even again, if you're off-grid and you want to be able to throw a movie on a stormy day, you could certainly run that off of, again, quality batteries on the front, which we can help you with. As we come into the rest of the kitchen here, we've got storage just next to the microwave. Microwave is going to be air fryer, convection, and microwave. So you won't see an oven here, but you do have the convection oven, and that does allow them to give you some huge storage for pots and pans. And then you've got quite a bit of storage here under the sink as well. A little drop-in sink lid, which just hangs there. Can also be a cutting board for you. Again, lots of window coverage down the door side, which traditionally with bunk models, you don't have too many of. So that's where this kind of layout with this kind of innovation in terms of the dinette area really helps, and that window coverage continues into the bedroom as well, so with matching windows in there. So again, really great job in bringing lots of natural light in here, lots of storage in the kitchen, and anywhere they can they've added storage. You've got a flip up extension here as well as power, so if you wanted to again increase that, we've got our flip back 3-burner stove here, so propane. That'll flip back. That'll act as a backsplash for you as well. Then a really versatile couch system here. So again, you have the recliners. You've got the drop-in little tables here, which again could be used in concert with just the 2 seats here. So you could have the kids here. You guys could certainly sit here in the middle and not have to set up that safe full dinette. So again, it gives you lots of different options and different ways to use it. Or if you've got a big group in for an afternoon and a whole bunch of kids, again, you can use it in different ways. So you could certainly have some kids sitting here and they have their own little tables too, and fun for playing games, doing crafts, those kind of things. So these do pull out. They can store under the bed. There is some room there. And then you've got the ability on either end to be able to extend it. So put your feet up. And the nice thing too, if it's maybe just 2 of you on a weekend, you can also flip that down if it's a couple kids sitting here. Again, room for a big bowl of popcorn and a couple drinks. And then you can still see what the kids are doing outside through the window here. And again, you're going to have that cross flow here, which everybody loves. And if you are sitting here and you want to catch up on events, you have both a plug-in, so you could use a laptop sitting here, but also USB. And then you have your vacuum cleaner right below that. So I mentioned feature packed. You don't have to find a spot for a vacuum. You can basically just use the accessory kit to basically go through and be able to go front and end to end. So we've got next to our big fridge, I don't want to fail to mention that, so huge 10 cubic foot fridge plus the freezer, so that would allow you to eat out of there for a couple weeks. So if you needed to be off grid for a period of time, or for a week you weren't going to have a grocery store nearby, that fridge would allow you to carry certainly everything you would need in it. So we've got our ignition for our furnace as well as our AC. We can track kind of what's coming in solar-wise when we're connected to battery, which currently I'm not. And then we've got our connection point here for our Bluetooth speakers. So we do have some Bluetooth speakers on board. You'll notice as we head into the bedroom here, we have a nice wide bed. So it's a custom king bed, so definitely wider than a typical queen. So a lot of people appreciate that and are looking for that. So the whole Unmatched series brings you that. Great storage above the bed with all the baskets all ready for you. So easy in, easy out, and you don't have to fish through and kind of disturb everything. You're going to have 4 drawers, so kind of 2 for each side. And then the beauty is you still have storage beyond that. Pistons to hold everything up. And then nice depth here as well. So again, lots of room for the stools that you have outside, extra bedding, things like that. Both sides of the bed are well set up for power. So you've got USB and 120 volt. Again, huge oversized windows with roller shades. This one on the left is an emergency exit window. The one on the right is just going to be traditional window, but the lower half is screened. So you can get some cross flow, and then an absolutely huge window, which brings in a ton of light. So kind of a great spot to hang out, read a book on a day where maybe the weather's not cooperating. So very, very cozy. And then you've got some great storage here on either side of the bed too for hanging. So should you wish, and then an individual drawer on each side. And then you do have kind of a CPAP area on either side of the bed, or it can just be for your book collection, cup of water at night. So everything has a place in here, and they've really optioned out the storage in all aspects that they can. Individual reading lights under each side of the bed as well. And then you do have an additional vent here in the ceiling that you can open up if you're, again, not running air, but it is ducted in there with the door closed. You've got connection to that Bluetooth speaker array in there as well. So just a really well laid out, thought through unit that, again, pays attention to features, pays attention to being off grid, pays attention to the overall length, and pays attention to versatility and overall weight. So just a wonderful, wonderful unit. This unit, I would say, both inside and outside, really in that options and usability, kind of is almost a 50-50, which is a rare thing these days. So they've really done a great job outside to maximize kind of all your space. So we do have the more ride steady steps here, so they basically touch the ground, so they're not bouncing, especially as kids run in and out. You'll appreciate that. You won't feel movement. We've got our lend-a-hand that folds away here. The unit is a fiberglass coach with an aluminum cage construction, PVC roof to really last a lifetime. Cut down on maintenance as well. And then backing that fiberglass is the Asdel composite, which makes an absolute difference in how this unit is going to look 5 and 10 years from now, because you're not going to have anything that water can grab onto. So big difference maker. Let's start at the front here. You can see that huge window built into that fiberglass cap. So absolutely massive, just letting in a ton of light, makes it feel bigger than it is inside, which I certainly appreciate, and you appreciate on a day when you have to be inside. You do have a power jack here, 2 20-pound tanks, lots of room for additional batteries. And again, on this kind of coach with this kind of solar, a lot of our customers will choose to maybe go 6 volts right away, or the last couple of years lithium is definitely the choice for sure, and extend their stay. You do have a battery cutoff switch, so when it does go into storage, that 400 watts is going to maintain those batteries. So when you come back, you don't have to think about, oh, I've got to charge overnight and get my batteries back up and tendered. You just don't have to even think about that, which is really great. You've got absolutely huge storage here. Great pass through. You're going to have motion sensors here, so you can see what you're doing at night. You are going to have a USB here as well connection. We've got our awning going the full length here. Mentioned that big window in the bedroom, so you can see that here. So again, airflow. So something they've added for the last couple months here, heading into 2027 season, is the ability to mount a TV outside if you wanted to. So not something you may do all the time, but if there may be an occasion where it makes sense. You do have a little spot here where, again, a little shelf for breakfast. Great little griddle for breakfast and lunches and even dinners, so you can do all. And you can certainly pull out the awning and have yourself fully covered from the hot, hot summer sun. So it comes out a full 8 feet. We do have an out portion for cable and satellite. We've got a couple outlets, and then we've got some water connections on this side, so hot and cold water. So if you want to set up a wash station here, you could. We've got these great little stools that integrate with our outside little coffee bar area, but certainly can be a great spot for kids to eat snacks and just lay out some food. And then you've got some storage in here, so if you have a small coffee maker, it could just tuck in there. You could imagine you could put all your spices in here as well, so all the rubs and salt and peppers and everything else you use outside to season things. So certainly as you're finally at the campsite, barbecue sauces, things like that. We've got the ability here to, again, open that right up if there isn't any bugs, but if it's a bug season like it is right now for us, you can pull down that magnetic screen and you're off to the races. So you get the airflow, but you don't get the bugs. A little bottle opener in there for good measure. So again, really using the outside here well, and making sure that the awning runs the full length here, really as far forward as they can and as far back. And that is a huge difference maker, because now you can live outside. You've got an awning light running the full length of the coach here, so you don't have to do or add any other lighting. We've got our glass door here, really sharp design. Again, extra storage compartment here under the other half of the bunk here, because they don't tie it up with, say, a slide out kitchen here. It does allow them to add a bit more storage. Got that motion light back there as well. We saw that door from the inside, so here's our easy access door. So it could be, again, just bulk Rubbermaid bins, bikes, you name it. We've got our hitch here at the back, 4 oversized jacks. We are prepped for a backup camera here as well. Spare tire in the back. All Goodyear tires. So again, name brand tires that will last, a good 5 years for you. So before you're getting to switching them out. 30 amp service here, as we just have 1 AC, cable and satellite ready. And then we've got a black tank flush, so help to keep those sensors clean when you do have a dump station either at site or that you can pull up to with fresh water. See here, our slide out comes out a full 3.5 feet. As we come around, we're going to have a location here that's easy access for winterization for our on-demand suburban hot water tank. And then we've got our water fill, and then we've got city water should we have it on site. That huge oversized window on the left side, which is our emergency exit window. And then behind here, we do have as it says here, an antifreeze inlet that is for winterization to make life easy. And that is also the area where they will hide those wires for that inverter should you wish to add one in the future. We'd invite you out to see this brand new and ultra popular, best-selling for Unmapped 26BH from Forest River at Primo RV Center.